Greetings from Investor Web, the place to be for anyone who's keen on mastering the art of smart investing. Here at Investor Web, we passionately believe in the power of financial literacy and savvy investing as the key to unlock the door to a future of wealth and financial stability. Our mission is to provide you with the knowledge and tools to make your money work harder for you. Today we're going to explore a topic that's close to our hearts, the 10 habits that make you richer. These are the habits that the world's wealthiest and most successful people swear by. They're not secrets, but they do require discipline, commitment, and a dash of courage. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting on your journey to financial freedom, there's something in here for everyone. Without further ado, let's delve into the first habit that can set you on the path to increased wealth. The first habit on our list is consistent saving. Now you might think, I'm already saving, but here's the twist. It's not just about saving, it's about saving consistently. Think of it like this. Saving money should become as second nature as brushing your teeth in the morning. It's a habit, a ritual, a part of your everyday life, and it doesn't matter how much you save, whether it's 50 pence or 50 pounds, the key is to do it regularly. This is where the concept of paying yourself first comes in. Before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or splurge on that new pair of shoes, set aside a portion of your income for savings. It's a simple yet powerful way to build wealth over time. We've all heard the saying, a penny saved is a penny earned. But let's tweak that a bit. A penny saved consistently is a fortune earned. So remember, a penny saved is indeed a penny earned. Next up, we have smart investing. Now, investing isn't about putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about diversifying your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and potentially alternative investments. Diversification helps mitigate risk and create a more stable financial future. Now let's talk about compound interest, the secret ingredient that makes your money grow. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. That's how compound interest works. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. It's the snowball effect for your wealth. The key is to start investing early and consistently. Even small amounts can grow into substantial wealth over time. It's about time in the market, not timing the market. And remember, investing isn't gambling. It's a strategy. Our third habit is continuous learning. A cornerstone of wealth creation, this habit is all about staying in tune with market trends and financial news. It's about understanding that the world of finance is dynamic, constantly evolving, and we must evolve with it. Think of it this way. The financial market is like a river, ever-changing, and you're navigating it. If you're not constantly learning and adapting, you're like a sailor ignoring the changing tides and currents. Not the best strategy, right? But continuous learning goes beyond just staying updated. It's also about expanding your skill set. Learning new skills can open up additional income streams. Imagine being an expert in real estate and then learning about cryptocurrency. You've just broadened your investment horizon. Remember, the more you learn, the more opportunities you create for wealth generation. Therefore, embrace the habit of continuous learning. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Habit 4 is frugality. Now, don't let the term daunt you. Frugality isn't about pinching pennies or depriving yourself. Rather, it's about financial discipline and living within or even below your means. It's about making mindful decisions on where your hard-earned money goes. To be frugal is to resist the allure of lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, it's tempting to spend more, to upgrade your lifestyle. But here's a secret. The wealthiest individuals, they're often the most frugal. They understand that every penny saved is a penny that can be invested and grown. Frugality also means prioritizing needs over wants. It's about distinguishing between what's essential and what's a luxury. This doesn't mean you can't indulge occasionally, but it's about ensuring your financial security first. So embrace frugality not as a restriction, but as a tool for wealth accumulation. Remember, it's not about how much money you earn, but how much you keep. Next on our list is goal setting. Indeed, the power of setting financial goals cannot be overstated. Goals are the compass that guides our financial decisions, giving direction and purpose to our monetary moves. Without them, we are like a ship adrift at sea. Consider this: when we set a goal, we create a target, a clear destination towards which we can steer our efforts. This could be a short-term goal, such as saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. Or it could be a long-term goal, like building a retirement fund or purchasing a home. Goals not only provide direction, but also motivation. They inspire us to be disciplined, to make sacrifices, and to stay the course even when the waters of financial uncertainty become choppy. Remember, the journey towards financial prosperity is not a sprint, but a marathon, and every marathon begins with a single step, a single goal. So set your goals high and don't stop till you get there. Let's quickly go through the rest of the habits. The sixth habit that can make you richer is self-discipline. Wealth isn't just about earning more, it's also about controlling your desires and avoiding unnecessary expenses. It's about understanding that immediate gratification is fleeting, while long-term financial security is enduring. Remember, it's not the high earners who become rich, but those who manage their money wisely. Next up is networking. It's not what you know, but who you know that often matters. Building a robust network can open doors to opportunities that you wouldn't find otherwise. So, get out there, meet new people, and don't shy away from making meaningful connections. Our eighth habit is diversification. If you've ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," then you understand the essence of diversification. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, you can mitigate risks and increase the potential for higher returns. In other words, don't bank on a single stock or property. Spread your wings and explore multiple avenues of investment. The ninth habit is patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Whether it's waiting for your investments to mature or for your business to turn a profit, patience is a virtue that's crucial in the pursuit of wealth. It's about understanding that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep your eyes on the prize and stay the course. Last but not least, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is our 10th habit. You might wonder, what does health have to do with wealth? But consider this: without good health, all the money in the world means nothing. Furthermore, medical expenses can quickly drain your savings. So invest in your health today to reap the financial benefits tomorrow. Inculcate these habits and you'll surely see a positive change in your financial situation. And there you have it, 10 habits that can make you richer. We've taken a journey through a landscape of financial habits, starting with the bedrock of consistent saving to the strategic terrain of smart investing. We've explored the vast territory of continuous learning and the essential practice of frugality. We've charted the course with goal setting and navigated the final 5 habits that can help transform your financial life. These habits are not just about accumulating wealth, but about building a mindset that values growth, discipline, and strategic planning. They serve as the foundation for financial freedom, a destination that is reachable with persistence and dedication. Remember, the journey towards wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. It's about cultivating habits that support your financial goals and aspirations. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web for more such insightful content. Here's to your journey towards financial freedom.